South Mountain Window Cleaning and Power Washing is Phoenix, Arizona's top-rated commercial window cleaning and power washing service. We offer maintenance, one-time, and large project power washing. Our trained technicians use top-of-the-line equipment in our industry to provide you with clean and sanitary property. Our power washer heats up to over 200 degrees to help break down tough oils and grease and get your commercial property looking its best. Feel free to give us a call at 480-519-9327 to talk about your power washing needs today. Thank you so much, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.